Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to start Playwright with Java series. Okay. Nowadays, Playwright is a modern tool which is in demand. So we are going to start that series, and let's start this. Introduction to Playwright. What is Playwright? Playwright is a modern open source automation testing framework developed by Microsoft. So it is developed by Microsoft. It is used for end-to-end testing of web applications. Okay. Definition. Playwright allows you to automate browsers like Chromium, Firefox, WebKit and Microsoft Edge using a single API. It supports multiple programming languages like Java, JavaScript or TypeScript, Python and C#. Okay, it supports multiple programming languages. Okay. So let's discuss the key features of Playwright. Cross-browser testing. So it works with Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Edge. Multi-language support. You can write tests in Java, JavaScript, Python or .NET. Auto-weighting mechanism. Automatically waits for elements to be ready before interacting. Okay. So before interacting with the element, it will automatically wait for the element. Headless and headed mode. Can run tests without opening a browser, that is browser window, that is in headless mode or visibility in headed mode. Okay. Basically we can run tests either by opening browser window or without opening the browser, which will run in the background. That is called headless mode. Parallel execution. Run multiple tests concurrently for faster execution. Okay. So basically parallelly will run multiple tests for faster execution. The next point is trace viewer and screenshots. So it captures screenshots, videos and traces for debugging, so that we can debug. Powerful locators. It uses CSS, XPath, text, role and custom selectors easily. Then network interception. Can mock APIs or modify network requests and responses. Okay. Basically it can mock APIs or modify network requests and responses. Okay. So let's do one example. Java with Playwright. Okay. So for that, first of all, let me open IntelliJ and I will just show you. You just create one Maven project. Okay, you just put one name. I will do just click on new, click on project and you just select the Maven and provide some name. Let's say I have provided Playwright test project. Okay. Then once it got created, then just add some dependency on the POM. So for running Playwright, we basically required maybe couple of dependency. One is Playwright and another one is for TestNG. Okay, and just use Java version which is more than 11. Okay, more than 11, JDK 11 plus. So here we are using 17, JDK 17. Okay, so for couple of dependency, you just verify. So it is Playwright dependency, the version is 1.48.0, and you require TestNG, okay, which is 7.0.9. That's it. Once that is created, then you can just go to src, anything main. Let's create one under Java. Let's create one package. Let's say we can give, let's say package name is let's say Playwright, let's say test. Okay, Playwright test. Okay, then after that, yeah, if we'll go here, then this is the program. Let's say public class Playwright demo. Okay, and it has one main method. After that, we are initiating Playwright. Playwright is equal to playwright.create. See, this try either you can keep or you don't keep. So if you will keep the try, what happens basically, it will automatically close the browser. Okay, so what you can do, let's create one class. Okay, basically what this class will do, it will basically navigate to Google. It will open Google. Okay, and in the Google search box it will put Playwright testing. Okay, then after that it will just fetch the driver, and after that the browser will be closed. Okay, that is the scenario. So let's do this. So what we can do, let's create one class. Let's say we'll put the class name as Playwright demo, let's say. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just right click on the package, then class, I'll just provide the class name as Playwright demo, let's say. Okay, so Playwright demo. After that, let's create one main method. Okay, then after that, let's create Playwright. Okay, then Playwright is equal to Playwright dot create. Okay, then after that browser is equal to Playwright dot, let's say Chromium we want to open, let's say Chromium browser, Chromium dot launch. Then in that we'll pass browser type, sorry, new browser type dot launch options dot set headless is equal to false. Okay, we want to open the browser basically, so false, just correct the spelling, false. Okay, then once that is done, semicolon will be here. Okay, so once that is done, then after that just you create which one, page is equal to browser dot new page. Okay, then after that page dot navigate, where will navigate? We'll navigate to google.com, right? If we'll see here, once that is done, then we'll navigate to the Google page. Okay, then page dot navigate. So we'll navigate to, let's say, Google page, https://www.google.com. Okay, then after that we'll just write down page dot, okay, page dot. So we'll just find the what we'll do. So after going to Google, just we'll enter Q, I mean enter some text on Google page. So if I will show you, just one moment, so that you will get the idea. So let me open this manually so you can understand it better. Okay, so what I'm going to say, after going to Google, okay, you need to type something here. So for that you need to inspect this one, right? So let's inspect the search box. Okay, if you will see the search box, what is the name? So name is Q. See, name is Q, right? So first what we'll do, we'll just write down, see, page dot fill. Okay, page dot fill. What we'll put, we'll just put, which one? We'll just put the locator. Okay, so the locator is name is equal to Q. Okay, so if you'll see here, so same thing, it was text area, name is equal to Q. Okay, if you will see here, one minute, so this is which area? Text area, right? So like that, so that's how you will write down in Playwright, that is text area. See, text area, one second. So what I will do, yeah, if you'll go here, so which area it is? It is text area, right? So basically text area, and in the text area we require which one? Name is equal to Q, right? If you will see here, yeah, name is equal to Q, correct? See, one second, yeah, if you will see here, name is equal to Q, right? So just write down name is equal to Q. Okay, after that, so once we enter the text area, name is equal to Q, okay, then after that what we'll do, we'll just enter which one? We'll just enter the value details. Okay, understood? So now we'll enter value, suppose which one? Playwright testing. Here we'll put Playwright testing. So Playwright testing. Okay, suppose manually I will just show you, just put Playwright testing. Okay, after that what you will do, after that just get the just we want to enter the press key. Okay, so we'll press the enter key, we'll click on basically press. Okay, so for that what we'll do, just we'll write down page dot which one? Enter key, right? Page dot keyboard, sorry, page.keyboard dot press. Press, 1 second. So what we are doing page.keyboard dot press. Then what we will do here, enter key. Okay, we just press enter. Okay, once that is done, so for example here if we will see, we will just enter. Okay, then after that just we will get the title. See, this is the title. After that we will get the title. So system.out.println, so we can write down title is equal to plus page dot title. Okay, then after that we'll write down which one, browser dot close. Let's, okay, so anyway browser dot close we can do that, but let's run this. Okay, let's run this and we'll see the result. See, absolutely working fine. Okay, okay, once this is done, let's run this and we will see the result. I just put thread.sleep 30 seconds because it is means it usually takes some time, so for that I just put 30 seconds for observing that. Okay, let's run this and we'll see the result. Basically it will open Chromium browser, it will navigate to Google, it will enter Playwright testing in the search box, then after that it will click on enter, then it will and after that it will get the title of the page. Okay, okay, so here, yeah, just to require crosswalks. Okay, okay, now it will get the title of the page. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, let's run this. Basically okay, let's run this and we'll see the result. So it will open one Chromium browser, then it will navigate to google.com, then after that it will enter Playwright testing in the search box and it will click on enter. It will wait for 30 seconds, then it will capture and print the title. Okay. Okay, now let's see this. Go to the, one moment. Yeah, absolutely working fine. See, title is equal Playwright testing, Google search. Okay, this is absolutely working fine. Okay, now we can talk about Playwright versus Selenium versus Cypress. Let's see. Let's clearly compare Playwright, Selenium and Cypress, the three most popular web automation testing frameworks or tools. So you can see where each one shines. Okay, let's discuss one by one. With respect to feature or aspect, so let's say developer or owner. Who is the developer or owner for all these tools? For Playwright, Microsoft. So Playwright owner is Microsoft. Selenium, open source, that is W3C standard. Okay. Cypress, cypress.io. Language support. Playwright supports Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C#. Selenium supports Java, Python, C#, JavaScript, Ruby, etc. Cypress supports JavaScript or TypeScript only. Browser support. Playwright supports Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, Safari, Edge. Selenium, it supports all major browsers. Cypress, it supports Chromium, Firefox, Edge, no Safari. It doesn't support Safari. Execution speed. Playwright is very fast, direct browser control. And Selenium, it is slower, uses WebDriver protocol. Cypress, it is fast, runs inside browser. It runs inside browser. So with respect to architecture, Playwright, direct browser communication via DevTools protocol. Selenium, it uses WebDriver to communicate with browser. Cypress runs inside browser via JavaScript engine. With respect to cross-browser testing, in Playwright it is excellent. Selenium cross-browser testing is excellent. Cypress limited, no Safari. With respect to auto waits or smart waits, Playwright built-in automatic waiting. Selenium needs explicit waits. For Cypress, it is built-in. Headless execution. All the tools support headless execution. Okay. The next one is parallel execution. In Playwright, it supports native. Selenium supported via grid or testng. Cypress supported with some config. Network interception or mocking. Playwright, yes. Advanced API mocking. Selenium doesn't support mocking, and Cypress supports mocking. Screenshots and videos. Playwright, it is built in. Selenium needs third-party libraries. Cypress, it's built in. Mobile or device emulation, Playwright, yeah, it is support. Selenium, it is limited, and Cypress, it is limited. Ease of setup, Playwright is simple, Selenium is moderate, and Cypress is simple. Debugging tools, Playwright, it is excellent, that is trace viewer. Selenium is basic, and Cypress is excellent, time travel, for time travel. Community and ecosystem, Playwright, it is going fast. Selenium, very large and mature community. Cypress, it is strong but JavaScript only. Best for, so Playwright is best for modern end-to-end automation, cross-browser CI/CD integration. Okay, modern end-to-end automation, cross-browser CI/CD integration. Selenium, enterprise legacy systems, broad language support. Okay. Cypress, front-end UI testing for JavaScript apps. Okay. So in quick summary, we can tell that when we require Playwright framework, you want fast, modern, cross-browser automation using Java or JavaScript with auto words, network mocking, and trace debugging. That time you will go for Playwright. And let's say you need maximum flexibility and multi-language support, especially for legacy systems or integration with older frameworks. Then that time you go with Selenium. If you are a front-end developer testing modern JavaScript, React or Vue apps and wants easy setup plus time travel debugging, then you go with Cypress framework. Okay. These are the things you need to put in the mind and use this, all these frameworks accordingly. Okay. Let's say we give one quick verdict. So number one, it will be Playwright, best overall for modern automation with respect to speed, reliability, cross-browser testing. Selenium, best for broad compatibility and legacy projects. Cypress, best for JavaScript UI testing with developer-focused tools. Okay, that's how you can use either Selenium, Playwright or Cypress according to the requirement. Okay, that's it for this series. I will come up with some new series. Till then, take care, bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.